show that 9.99999 is equals to 10. 9.9 recurring is equals to 10. Somebody might be tempted to say, this thing is simple, just round off to the nearest one. To the nearest whole number, if you round it off, just round it up to 10. But then how do you show it that it's actually equals to 10? We use what? The concept of sequences, the concept of series. This is actually can be broken down to a converging series, because this 9.99999, this one can be written as 9 plus 0.9 plus 0.09 plus 0.009 plus 0.0009 plus all up to wherever they are ending. So from there, from this one going that side, that's actually our sequence, our series rather, which is a convergent sequence. Why do we call this a convergent sequence? It's because it's actually a geometric sequence whose value of r is between 1 and 0. It's between 0 and 1. It's actually a proper fraction. What is the value of r in this case? So the value of r is equals to 10. So let's consider this one as our sequence from 0.9. From this going there, let's consider that as our sequence. So our r is going to be the term 2 over term 1. Now let's work it out. So our term 2 is 0.09 over 0.9. What's the answer? This should be equals to 0.009 over 0.09. So the second term is equal to the previous term. So if you want to find the ratio r for a geometric sequence, it's actually the second term over the one previous it, the one before it actually. So this one is giving us a 1 over 10. Let me confirm that. So this is giving me 1 over 10, or rather 0.1. So let me work with that. So since this is having an r which is a proper fraction, it's telling us it's actually a converging sequence. It has a sum to infinity. So the sum to infinity, this is equals to 1. It's actually a over 1 minus r. So in our case, a, it's your first term. Our first term is 0.9 over 1 minus our r is 0.1. So this is actually giving me a 0.9 over 0.9. 1 minus 0.1 is 0. So this is actually equals to 1. So the sum of all these terms from this one going there gives us 1. So actually this, or rather let me copy this one. This is equals to It's equals to the 9 plus the sum to infinity, which is 1. And this is equals to 10. That complete the proof. Thank you for staying tuned.